If you want to close background apps on Google Pixel 11, if you use a 3-button navigation to open the list of background apps, you want to use this square button. It can be positioned on the right side, but also it is possible that it's going to be on the left side instead. It just depends on the button order setting over here. So if you tap on that, you can easily open the list of all apps that you have opened in the background, also known as recents. Now, besides that, if you use gesture navigation instead, in order to open the same list, you just have to swipe from the bottom of the phone to the middle, and you have to hold your finger for like half a second or so. So it looks like this. And then you can, of course, see all apps that you have open in the background. If you want to close an individual app, a single app over here, then you have to swipe it up. Just like that. You can just swipe it all the way up, and then it's going to be closed. You can also go all the way to the left side in order to find the Clear All button, so you can, of course, close everything at once. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.